transcribe all the contents. Okay. So how you can get this tool means once you finish this training, you need to share your mail ID with sir. Okay, sir will help you to sir will give that IDs to the IT department, and we will share you one link. Okay, through your mail, a link will be shared. Okay, where what you have to do, you have to click on the link. Okay, as of now mine is already, I have already logged in, so I can't show that one. Okay, otherwise you will get a mail. Okay, you need to click on the mail. Okay, once you click on the mail, what you have to do, you have to give a username. Okay, whatever is your username, you have to give that one. A mail ID, okay, mail ID and a password. Okay, password you keep it for yourself, like you only have to create it. Okay, so it will ask for a confirmation. You create a password and you keep it for yourself. Okay, once you do that, you will be eligible to log in. Okay, log into the tool. As of now, I'll show you. Mine is already logged in, so I'm just gonna show how it is done. Okay. So this is a tool link. Okay, we will share that also with you. Like in that mail I told you, there you will be having the links. Okay, once you log in, what you can do is you can keep your the link with star. Okay, so that whenever you open the tool, directly it will be open. Otherwise, every time you need to put your mail and password, everything. Okay, so this will be much more helpful for you. Like if you put the star. Okay, sometimes for few people what happens, directly when you open through the Chrome, you might not enter into the tool. Okay, if that is the case, what you can do is you can go to incognito mode. Okay, directly you can't enter through the I told you you can't enter through the Chrome. So what you can do is you can open the incognito mode. Okay, in that you put the link. Okay, once you do that, you can directly enter. Then there won't be any problem. Okay, few people will face this issue. That's why I'm telling now only. Okay, so like that, at least what you can do, you can minimalize it. Okay, so when you enter into the tool or enter into your ID, so what might be the scenario? So you will be assigned with a certain project. Okay, projects might be assigned. So currently, if you are working on a English project, English project will be assigned to you. Or else, first thing what we are going to do is we will assign you test files. Okay, so test files, after completing that test file, you can proceed with the live file. Okay, by checking your quality only, we can proceed with the this one. What is that? The live files. Okay, as of now, I am going to show the content in the test file. Okay, so how it is done or what are the things that needs to be done. Okay, so for example, these many projects are assigned in my ID. Okay, so this, for example, one ID I'm gonna show. Okay,
ma'am.
Yes, please.
Sorry to interrupt. आप
Yes,
थोड़ा स्लो बोलिए. आप थोड़ा जल्दी बोलिए.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. A few people will get bored. That's why I'm in a little bit hurry. That's all. Okay. Yeah, if you want slow, I can talk slowly. Yeah. So I hope you understand the login process. So what you need to do, just open the link. Okay. Then enter all the credentials such as your mail ID and the password. Once you enter, your project is assigned in the portal. Okay, so when you just look into that, whichever is your project, right? So you have to click on the view button. Okay, here you can see a project stage. So what is this project stage? That means whether you are an annotator or a reviewer or a super checker. Okay, most of you all will be annotators only in the beginning stage. For the test stage, we will select you as an annotator only. So annotator means the person who does the transcription, and the process is annotation. Okay, next comes the reviewing. Okay, reviewing means the quality check. The person who does the quality check of an annotator, he is known as a reviewer, and the process is reviewing. Okay, after these two steps, one more step will come, that is the super check. Super check means whether the annotator and the reviewer has done the file properly or not will be checked by the super check, and this file will be it will be submitted to the client. Okay, so that's why there are 3 stages. As of now, you will be like entered into the annotation part. Like you will be entered as an annotator. Next, you will be moved to reviewer. Next, as a super checker. Okay, that depends on how you are working. Okay, so I told you when you have to enter into a project, what you need to do, you need to click on the view button. Okay, once you click on the view button, no, here you can find the project details. Okay, project details can be seen in the upper portion. Okay, in the lower portion, you can find unassigned annotation task, unassigned review task, unassigned super check task. Okay, so whatever is your designation, no, if you are annotator, your file will be here. If you are a reviewer, your file will be here. If you are a super checker, your file will be here. Okay, so this we call, no, this portion, this we will call as a pool. Okay, annotation pool, reviewer pool, then super check pool. Okay, so inside the pool there will be certain number of files. Okay, for example, I'll show one more thing. As of now, there is no file in this one. Okay, because I'm showing the test file, no, so there is no file. So see here, see annotation file. So 59, yeah, how many files? It may be around 200 files, 300 files. Okay, files will be within this pool. What you have to do is, so if you are an annotator, you need to click on this one, annotation task. If you are a reviewer, you need to click on the review, like this one. Okay, if you are a super checker, you need to click on this one. Okay, so as of now, I'm going to show the annotation task. Okay, annotation task. So you need to pull size. This one is there, no, here. This one you need to select to 1. Okay, please always remember to pull one file at a time. Okay, please remember this one, because what many of the guys will do, no, they will pull 2 to 3 files at a time, keep it for themselves, and even they also don't work, they won't give it for others also. It's okay if you do that, we can revert it back. Okay, we can pull it back, but it will be a it's not a we can't just be on your back, right? So it is best that you pull a single file, complete it, and you pull once again one more file, you can pull it back. Okay, so please do this one. Okay, this step you please remember, pull one file at a time. Okay, after selecting one, then what you have to do is pull a new batch. Okay, pull a new batch. When you click on this, no, actually a file will be pulled here. Okay, as of now, I'm not going to just pull it here because this is Hindi, no, so I'm not going to pull it. So when you click on that, no, so how your file will be assigned, I'll show you here. So see, like this, your file will be allotted here. Okay, your file will be appearing here. Okay, so what you can see, or a task is assigned to you, where in what will be given to you, audio will be given to you. Okay, so this is the audio which is of these many seconds. Okay, audio duration is given and audio details are given here, and this is the task ID. Okay, so first thing what you need to do is you have to start annotating. Okay, this is a test file, so there is no reference text is given. Okay, in the live file, okay, when you are working on the live file, no, a reference text will be given here in this portion. No, a reference text will be given. What you need to do is you need to copy that. Okay, Control C, copy. Okay, press on the annotate button. Okay, press on the annotate button. Here you can find notes. Here you can find notes now. So you can press on this one. Okay, when you press on this one, annotation like that, you'll get a box. Okay, you can paste it. Control V. Okay, this is for your reference. Okay, don't think that this notes and the whatever the speaker is telling, no, both are same. Please don't consider like that. Okay, this is just for your reference purpose. Okay, the speaker might be talking he might be telling different word only, but it is just for your reference. Okay, so that at least you can make out something. Okay, yeah. So few buttons you can make out in the tool. Okay, if you want to go back, you can use the back to project button, you can use. Okay, so if I click on this one, no, my see, you directly will come to the project. Okay, where your file is unlabeled. that means unlabeled means your file is not yet started. Okay, you have not yet started the transcription. Okay, so that's why it is in unlabeled state. Okay, so I'll click on the annotate button, where you can find a few buttons. Okay, so what are those few buttons? I'm just going to explain now. As of now, no, this one is, I'm in the call, right? So that's why it is a little bit slow. Otherwise, the tool will be faster. Okay. So next thing is that, so here you can find draft button, next button, skip button, update button. Okay, these are the few buttons which are mainly used for saving or drafting the file. So majorly we will use this button, that is the draft button. Okay, in Word file, when you work on the file, right, so there is a auto saving option, right? In this tool na, there is no auto saving option. Okay, like after completing like few segments na, you have to like keep on pressing this one. Okay, draft button, you need to keep on pressing. Okay, so when you click on this draft button, where this file will be, I'll show you where it will be. Just go back to the project. Okay, just go back to the project. Here you can see 3 lines, right? Up above the project, you can find 3 lines here na. So click on this one, click the draft. Okay, if you click on this one, no, you'll get the, see here, draft one, and apply. So I have already saved one more file here. Okay, that's why I can find one file in the unlabeled, one file in the draft. This is just for the showcase purpose. I have pulled 2 files, but you guys please pull 1 file at a time. Okay, then here annotate button is there now. Once again click on it. Okay, the file will be open now. Okay, I always tell everyone that please, when you're working, no, please use draft button more often. Okay, because what happens, no, if you are facing any internet issue or else power issue might be there, or sometimes you might have some other work. Okay, you have pulled the file, you're working on the file, but suddenly you had some other work. Okay, at that time what you'll do, you can't just simply leave and go, right? You have to save the content which till where you have done, right? So at that time you cannot use the update button. Okay, what you have to do is you have to keep your file in the draft section. Okay, always remember to like use the draft button more often. Okay, after like completing 10 segments also, you please press the draft button so that it will be useful for you. Okay, so next button means the next button when it is useful means if more than one file is pulled, no, then if you are not willing to work on this like a file or task at a time, like as of now, then what you can do, you can click on the next and you can work on that. Okay, but if you are pulling only one file, this button is of no use. Okay, so be careful that this button is not pressed. Okay, then comes the skip button. Skip button means sometimes, no, in the file what happens is there will be a lot of this one noise issues might be there, or even you cannot understand even a single word what the person is telling. Okay, the speaker, whatever the speaker might be telling, even a single word you are unable to understand the thing. Okay, at that time what you have to do is you have to please let us know your task number. Okay, we will listen to that audio. Okay, if it is good to go, then we will tell you you can continue, or if there is any issue we will tell you to keep it in the skip. Okay, if you press skip, no, it won't be actually removed from your ID. It will be in your ID only if a manager can deallocate it and they can assign it to others, or we will check that. Okay, so skip option when it is used only if you are facing any issues in the file, no, then only you can use the skip button. Then comes the update button. Okay, so what is this update button? After completing A to Z process, that means transcription, tagging, then everything, whatever you have to do, no, everything after completing only, please you press the update button. Okay, till that you need to use the draft button only. Okay, you need to use this button only after completing everything you need to update this button. Okay, because what happens now, if you if you update, right, what happens means your file will be moved to the reviewer. Okay, reviewer will get the file. So what happens if he also pulls the file? You are unable, you cannot edit this file once again. Okay, so if the reviewer has not pulled the file and I can work on it. If he has already pulled means I cannot edit the file once again. Okay, then one more thing is that here play button will be there. Okay, so this is for start and stopping of the audio. Okay, start and stopping of the audio. And one more option is that shift space. Okay, shift space, that is also for play and pause option. Okay, play and pause option. One second, there is uh, play and pause option is there, no? So that also you can use to play and pause the audio. Then one more option is that one more thing is that as of now, no, in this audio there is no segments. Okay, but in the live files segments will be given to you. Okay, as of now this is a test file, no, just to show you how the segments are done, how the things need to be done. There is no segments. Okay, I have deleted all the segments to show the things to you. Okay, just 1 second, it is loading. So till here, do you guys have any doubt, like till here? So first what you need to do is you need to open into the project. Okay, so if you're an annotator, click on the annotation task. Reviewer means review, it is almost same. Okay, for everything it is same only, but your task it is this one. Your pools are different. Okay, so whichever the annotation raw files, no, that will be available in the annotation pool. The annotated file will be in the reviewers pool, and the superchuck pool will have the reviewers file. Okay, so if you are an annotator, what you need to do, click on the annotation task, then pull size you have to select. Okay, select one. Okay, then pull new batch. Once you pull new batch, what you need to do, you need to click on the this one, what is that, annotate button. Okay, click on the annotate button and you can start with the process. Okay, so inside the task also you have different buttons, that is the draft button, next button, skip button, and update button. So draft button means it is like temporary saving of your file. Okay, next button means it is like if you have more than one file, you are not willing to do this current file, then you can use the next button to work on the next file. Skip file means if some issue is there in the file, then we will help you out. Okay, if that is also not possible, we will tell you to skip the file as of now. Okay, then update means it is like final submission of your file. Okay, then comes the playback speed. Okay, so playback speed means if you want to increase or decrease the speed of the audio. Okay, the audio will be heard, no? So if you want to increase or decrease the speed, you can use this. I always suggest that please keep the playback speed at 1 only. Okay, because now if you lower it, right, in only few cases you can slow it down. Otherwise what happens, no, if you slow it down, no, the word you might hear is completely a different word only you might hear. Okay, that's why I always tell, please keep the playback speed at 1 only. Okay, sorry, taking a little bit. Sorry, any doubt?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Can you please share the screen once again?
Okay, yeah.
Mukhamata, please unmute, mute yourself.
Sorry, sir, your voice is not clear. Sorry.
मैम वो एनोटेशन जब हम लोग क्लिक करते हैं तो उसके बाद एग्जैक्टली प्रोसेस क्या करना है, मतलब वो रीड, मतलब वो लिसन करके ट्रांसक्राइब कैसे करना है उसका प्रोसेस?
हाँ, वो मैं बता देती हूँ आपको कैसे करना है करके।
हाँ,
okay?
मतलब
क्या है ना कि
करना है।
हाँ, क्या है ना कि अभी ना like I have opened this tool na, so and I'm talking in the this one, right, in a meet call, right, so it is taking little bit of time. Okay, it is taking a little network issue. Okay, but otherwise na I can show 1 second.
हाँ, मतलब एक बार लाइव डेमो दिखा देंगे कि
Yeah, sure. I'll tell you. I'll show the thing.
Mokamika, you can clear the cache and check.
Okay, sir. Just 1 minute, sir.
Mukamik, somebody is on unmute, so the noise is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
there is not.
Gulishta Bano, please mute. Yeah, they have muted. Okay.
Hello, कोई sound नहीं आ रहा. Hello, hello,
Yes,
hello.
what Debashish, yes, tell me.
Meeting is over.
No, just wait a minute. I think she's trying to reconnect. Just a
Yeah,
minute.
the trainer is trying to reconnect.
Hello.
She will explain. Hello. Wait. She will.
Mahadev, what happened to Mukamika? Is she there?
Yeah, she's clearing the cache and
Oh,
Hey,
checking
1
the
minute,
tool.
okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
right. Sure,
She's on the call only. Wait.
sure.
Still another 30 minutes, 40 minutes it will take. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Hello. Hello, Mahadev.
Yeah, Jafar. Yeah.
So, is it all over? Training?
No. Like just now they have started. Okay. So she will present. So I will also share a training video to you. Okay. If you missed
Okay.
anything, you can follow up, and you can also record from your end. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, fine,
Hello.
Mahadev. After this training, I will be giving you a call.
Yeah, sure.
Hello. Whether my voice is clear now and the screen is visible, like, yeah?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
you are
Yes,
asking.
ma'am. Now it's very clear.
Yeah, okay. So you are asking that you wanted to like see how the file is pulled. Okay, I'll test show you in the test file only. I will show how to pull the file. Okay, but I won't show how to work on that file. I'll show in the test file. Okay, because this is for it is a what is that, a Hindi file. Okay, that's why. So what you have to do, if you are an annotator, okay, you have to click on this one, annotation task. Okay, then here you need to select a pull size to 1. Okay, after that you have to click on the pull new batch. Okay, so see now, task assigned successfully. Okay, task is assigned successfully. So if you want to transcribe this file, no, what you have to do, you have to click on the annotate button. Okay, here your audio will be available. Okay, this from this stage, no, I will explain in the my my own file. I'll explain. Okay, because that is different files, that's why I can't show you. Okay, so this one, like if you want, whichever is your project, now you can enter into that and you can show. Okay, one second. I told you my file, one file is in the draft section. I'll take that file only. Okay, which will be easy for you. Here a reference text will be given. Okay, here a reference text will be given. As of now, this is a test file. Okay, that's why there is no reference text. Otherwise there will be a reference text for you. Okay, which you have to copy, Control C, copy that one and go to annotate. Okay, go to annotate, and what you need to do is you need to put that content here. Okay, in the note section in this portion you need to click on this one, and you need to update paste that thing, okay, so that the what is that, your contents will be available for you. Okay, so next thing I told you about the different buttons, right? And after that I was explaining how the things are you can have few more shortcut keys. Okay, you will have few more shortcut keys, that also I'll explain. So here you have a setting button, right? Here you can find a setting button, click on that setting button. Okay, if you go down here, see hotkeys explorer, where you can use a different option. So if you want to play or pause the audio, which buttons you can use? Shift space. One option is that play directly, play and pause here only you can do, and one more option is that shortcut, that is shift space, like that you can do. Okay, then next one, after creating segments, no, as of now there is no segments. Okay, so how you can create segments? Okay, so segments means what? This is a portion of audio. Okay, this is a portion of audio, where a sound or a noise is heard. Okay, in the live file the segments will be given. Okay, segments will be given, but this is a test file, no, just to make you understand how these segments are created. I am just showing. Okay, so just what you can do with the help of your mouse, okay, what you can do, just drag and just leave. Okay, drag and leave. See, one box is created now, and you can see a increase in the number of segmentations like this. See, this is how I can create a segment. Okay, so when I create a segment, a timestamp is created. Okay, in the live file this segmentation will be already, it will be given. Okay, no need to do this segmentation and all. Okay, you have to just adjust. If the wave is long, no, then you have to adjust it. Okay, sometimes your wave will be till here, then you have to adjust it. Otherwise no need to adjust it. Okay, let it be like that only. Okay, so like this you can keep on adding the segment. If you don't want this segment, okay, if you don't want this, then what you can do, here only right click. Okay, right click and delete subtitle. Okay, like this you can do. So this is how you can add or delete the segment. Okay, if I want to merge this segment, merge, right click once again here, merge next. Okay, like this you can do the segmentation. Okay, like this. So just to drag and leave. Otherwise, drag and enter also.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Can I ask something? What
Yes,
is the
please.
purpose of the segmentation?
Yeah, because of segmentation, no, you can type whatever the transcript you will transcribe. No, in Word files directly we will type, right? Yes, this is for typing of the transcript. Okay?
Actually timestamp will capture start and end time of particular word pronounced by a person. Okay, so for this purpose we are using segmentation. Okay, it will capture, you can see there is a hours, minutes and milliseconds timestamp in the number one box, 00366, and this is the start time of the word spoken by a person, and 00.612, this is the end time of the word spoken by the user. So usually basically we are capturing the timestamp of word spoken. Okay, so for this purpose we are using segmentation.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah, not only for words, even for sounds also. Okay, sounds also we will use tags. Okay, for that tags also we will use this what is it, start time and end time. I'll just gonna explain that also. But this is how you can create the segment. In this, no, you can type the content whatever the speaker is telling. For example, the speaker might be telling like cat. Okay, so you can type it here. Before this box, I can't type anything. Okay, there won't be any box where you can capture anything. Okay, see, as of now, when I type cat, here also you can see, right? Here also the word will appear. Okay, and one more thing which you have to represent is that the speaker tag. Okay, so for all boxes, okay, 100 box or how many boxes also, how many segments if you create also, you need to represent the speaker tag. Okay, so this speaker tag At the end also you can go on pressing. Otherwise, one box at a time, like this also. Like when you work on single box, no, at that time also you can label the speaker tag. Otherwise, what you can do is you can complete the whole transcription process. Okay. After that also you can go on labeling the speaker, like that also. Sorry, like that also you can do. Okay, so this is how you label the box or segment. Okay, label the segmentation is mandatory. Without labeling the segment and like entering the transcript, no, you cannot update the file. See, it will show that you have not updated the transcript. It will show because here a blank is there, no, that's why it will show. Okay, so to like update your file, every speaker tag and every box, that means transcript box, has to be filled. Okay, filled with what? Whatever the speaker is telling or any noise is heard, no, that noise has to be mentioned with the help of a tag. Okay, so sorry,
We need to update after every segment.
no,
After
sir.
tagging.
Please don't use this one. This is only in the end. Okay, you can
Okay.
use a draft button, but not for every single like segment you need to use draft. Okay, like 10 segments you create, sir. Okay, 10 segments you create. Okay, like work on it, like you do the transcript, do the transcription. After doing like 10 boxes, no, you please press the draft button like this.
Okay.
So your task will be saved. Okay, it is
Got
like
it.
temporary saving. If you press update, no, the whole thing will be updated. Okay, you won't
Can-
get it back for the editing purpose. Okay,
Got it. Got it.
please use the draft button only. Only in the ending, you please use the update button. Okay.
Okay.
I hope this is
Okay.
Ma'am,
Got
how to transcribe?
see, regular. See, listen to this audio. Okay, one thing here you can listen. Okay, from play pause button you can do, and one more option I told you, that is like shift space. Okay, play and pause the audio. Listen to the content what is there. Okay, and one more option is that this one, like this. Double click on this particular segment, whichever segment you want to listen. No, double click on that. See, like this. Okay, like this, double click. At that time you can listen to that audio. Okay, as of now the child is telling like in both these segments, no, actually there is only noise, there is no word. Okay, but in this segment there is a word. Okay, so that word is actually so regularly how you type, no, like English, you need to keep your language setting as English. Okay, when you type, no, it will automatically come in this way. Okay, like whatever the word the person is telling, no, you have to transcribe that one in this one. So in
Means
this,
we have to type in that box whatever we
yes,
listen.
correct. Okay, for you this is English transcription, no, so transcription has to be done in English. Okay, only in few cases. Okay, few cases you have to transcribe the content in Hindi. Okay, that what are the cases I will tell you. Okay, in little later I'll tell you. Okay, so
What have to type for noise?
noise I'll tell you, that one also I'll tell you. So I told you if a word is heard, you need to like type the word. Okay, for example, in this segment I can hear only noise. Then what I have to do is I have to use a tag symbol, that is shift 4. Okay, you'll get a dollar symbol. Shift 4 3 times. Okay, so $3 symbol means this is the like selected tag. Okay, we need to add a tag. Okay, for noise. Okay, for noise we have a tag, that is this one. Okay, noise tag, this one. Okay, so in this portion, like in this segment, only noise is there, no word at all. Okay, no word at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna like represent the segment with noise segment. Okay, so in the next segment I will listen, double click on the segment, I'll listen, and in this segment also I can hear only noise. Okay, nothing else. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to just click on the noise tag, this one. Okay, like this. Okay, after this please don't give a space. Okay, many of you does this error that after doing this one, no, you will give a space. Please don't give a space. Okay, Otherwise there won't come any space. Okay, actually it won't give any space, but if you give enter or any space, it will come. Okay, that's why please don't give. Okay, then in this portion, in this segment, on this, the child is telling like so, but in the background a noise is also heard. Okay, a noise is also heard. So I have to put the tag also and the word also. Okay, so how to do that? Once again, shift 4 3 times. That means a dollar symbol will come. Give a space. A pop-up will come. Okay, pop-up will come. So what is that, my tag? It is the noise tag, right? Noise tag. Okay. So if a word is there, one word comes means you have to end the tag. Okay. If it is just the noise, then no need to end it. No need to end. Okay. But if a word comes, okay, word comes, you need to end that tag. So how you need to do that one? Like this, dollar symbol. Okay. Then you have to end it with another one. See, there's a difference, right? So this one is starting. This means ending. Okay, it is like full stop, but you are not putting full stop. Okay, so this is how you are gonna do the transcription. Okay, in the next segment here, I'll listen to the content. So mine. Okay, mine. Here also, if noise is heard, right? In this segment also, I can make out there is a noise. So what can I do? I can just simply copy this one only. Okay, I can copy this one only and paste it to the next one. Okay, paste it to the next one. And change the word. Okay, mine, like this. Okay, because tags are same, no, so no need to like use shift 4 many times. Okay, like this only you can do. It won't be an issue. Okay, it won't be a problem. You can do like this. Then represent the speaker. Okay, represent the speaker, and you can go on transcribing. Okay, then sometimes what happens is one more thing which I need to tell. So this one, this portion, this sir already told you there is a start time and end time for the segment. Okay, so can I edit or can I increase or decrease the size of this timestamp? Yes, I can. How can I do that? See, can you make out the cursor? Here, when the cursor is here, no, it is like 2 arrowed. See, 2 arrowed, right? So when I get my cursor here, see how it changes. So this is how I can increase or decrease the timestamp of my segment. So see, it is 188. Okay. So if I want to increase it, see now, see 450. Yes, please.
Bhumika,
Yes, sir.
why will we increase the timestamp?
What happens, no? I told you auto segmentation will be given to you, right? Auto segmentation will be given to you. Sometimes what happens, no? The wave won't be captured properly. Okay. Auto segmentation means it is like a machine only doing the work. Okay. It cannot understand that whether this is the single word or double word. It just simply cuts wherever the sound is heard. Okay. So the word might not be proper. Okay. The cutting might not be proper. So when you like adjust this segment, no, you have to make it a proper word like this. Almost the word will be proper only, but you just need to adjust it. Okay. Sometimes, no, the segment, I'll show you in the C. Sometimes, no, the segmentation might be till here only. But the word is heard here also. Here also the word is heard. So at that time, what I have to do, I have to just stretch this one. Stretch like this.
Yeah, okay.
So that the word completely will be audible. Okay, like it is clearly, it will be like shown. Okay. So from this portion, this is the start time of the audio. The segmentation might be like this also. So from this portion to this portion, some word is heard. Okay. So you have to represent it like that. Okay. I hope this is clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this is why you're gonna do the segmentation. Okay. Segmentation process will be done. Okay.
Can we zoom in more into timeline?
Sorry, sir.
Can we zoom in more into timeline?
Yes, sir. You can. So here option is there. No, you can do like this. But it is always best that if you leave it at that only, because sometimes, no, it will make too little waves will be created. So it's better you just check and you do. Okay. So see like this.
Okay.
You can adjust it. Yeah. So yeah, this is one more thing. Then you have different tagging options. Okay, one is the noise tag. Okay, one is the noise tag. And one more thing which I forgot to tell you, this transcription, no English transcription, there is no punctuation mark should be used. No punctuation mark. Only in limited portion you have to use the punctuation marks. I'll tell you where it has to be used. Otherwise, no full stop, no comma, no question mark. Okay, no exclamatory mark, anything, nothing. Okay.
And caps lock also not used, right?
Sorry, sir. Voice.
And caps lock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll tell.
Yeah.
So, all the words, no, whatever the word is, your what's that? Words you are capturing, no, they had to be in small letter only. Okay, there is no capitalization, no punctuation marks, and you should not use any numbers. Okay, you should not use any numbers like 1 2 3 like that. You should not use. What you have to do is, if the speaker tells 1 2 3 like that, if he tells number, no, you have to transcribe it in words only. Okay, words only you have to transcribe. Please remember these things. Okay, then after this one, no, then what you have to do is,
Just one more doubt, Mukamika.
please, yes, please.
So if they're speaking a sentence continuously, like my name is, you have to write it continuously, or should we give space between each word?
No. In this process, there is a thing that in a single segment, only one word should be there. Okay, tag might be there, but a single word should be there. Okay, see, for example, in all this, no, my name is Mukambika. Okay, I might have told like in a speed manner. Okay, my name is Mukambika. So my name is Mukambika. I have to type like this. So I have to create a segment. Sometimes what happens? Oh, wait a second. I'll show you. Not this one. Sorry. I'll just delete it and I'll show it to you. So for example, sometimes, no, 2 or 3 words might come in a single segment. You asked, na, it will be in a single segment. What should I do? So what you have to do is, one thing, you have to make separate segments. That's why I was teaching like this. Okay. Otherwise, segmentation will be given, but you have to adjust it. Okay. So what you have to do, like this. This is a one word. Okay. For example, this portion is one word. Okay. In between, you cannot drag. How much ever you try also, you can't do. Like you cannot create a segment. At that time, what you can do is, click on this one. Okay, click on the sixth segment. Sixth segment is there now. Click on that one. Here you can find a plus symbol, right? Plus symbol. Click on that one. Okay, and click on the plus once again. Okay, sorry, this actually it was the fifth one. Yeah, this one I have to do. Okay, this is the segment, this one. Okay, so what I have to do, press no, see, a segmentation is created. Okay, so how to create the segment? If you want to, like, in between, in a smaller space, if you want to create a segment, no, so how you can do that one? So whichever is your segment, now click on that one. It is the fifth segment. So what I have to do, press on the plus. Yeah, once again you press on the plus. See, a segmentation is created now. So in this segment, so what the the person might be telling, mine. Okay, in the next segment I might be telling name. Okay, name. Is. Okay, in the next segment it might be is. Okay, in the next segment, like, it might be Mukambika. Okay, like this you are gonna transcribe. Okay,
Got it.
in between, if there is any noise, okay, noise is there, what you have to do, you have to use the noise tag. Yes, so shift this one you have to use. Okay, then you have to select whichever is the corresponding this one, no, like use this one, and you have to end it. Okay, you have to end the tag. Like this also you can do, but many of you will do errors. That's why we will tell you that don't do use this one only. We will tell. Okay, otherwise you can edit it, not an issue. But few of you know what you will do. You will either edit like this. When the output will come, no, it will be a problematic. That's why we will always tell you to use like this only. Okay, so to use the tag from this one only. Okay. It is noise. You have to use. Okay. Then after creating a segment, no, please make it minus so that it is nice and clean to for.
And yeah, and one more thing, please don't type the tag name. Okay, we can
Yes.
detect whether if you type the tag, we can detect, we will reject if you type the tag. You have to enter by shift and 4 $$, then that menu will come, then you have to select those tags. If you manually type, it will not be helpful for us because it will attract spaces and other things. So better you just use shift and 4 option.
Okay. I hope you guys understood this point, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Coming to the next point, that is.
Ma'am, I want to question. Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
please. Yes, please.
How can we go from first segment to next second segment? And
Okay.
which button you have to use?
Yes, either see here I can just go like this, one thing. This is one option while transcribing, no, with the help of your mouse. You can go like this. This is one option. And another option, no, here you can come like this also. See, this is the like my segment, right? Double click on this segment. So it will come for this portion only. See, next segment means I can click here. Okay, click on this segment 2 times. 2 times if you click, no, that portion will be played and it will be shown here. Okay, like
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
You can
Okay,
do.
ma'am.
Either with the help of mouse you can do, otherwise with the help of segment. Okay, segment you can go forward. Okay, like that also you can do. See, with the help of mouse also, in this portion also you can go forward. See how this one I can move. See, like this. Okay, so this is how you can go forward, yeah, backward, like that you can go on doing. Okay, I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
One more doubt, Mukambika.
Yes, please.
In which case we merge the segments, like we have to type only one word, no?
Yes,
So why
yes.
we will merge?
Actually, merge is of not that much required. Okay, only in few cases, sometimes only we need to use merge. Otherwise, a merge is not required actually. Okay, it is just if any two same words are there, no, then only you can merge. Otherwise, that won't be of much necessary actually. Merge. Only delete option you will use and adjustment option you will use. Okay, merge it is not of that necessary actually. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the one more thing I just want to mention, like transcription guidelines I will tell you. These are the main thing that you can see in the tool. Then one more option which I had to tell you now, like whatever the proper words are there which you listen in this segment, no, you have to transcribe as such. That means verbatim transcription has to be done. Okay, so verbatim, as of now this is a English project, right? So you have to type the contents in English only. Okay, but few cases are there. So what are those cases? I will tell you. Okay, so if such cases are there, no, in which language you have to type? You have to type the content in Hindi. That is a Devanagari script. Okay, so if that is the case, then how you have to transcribe? You have to use the Hindi language. Okay, so here language setting is there, no, you can click on this one. Okay, click on this one, then Hindi phonetic option is there, no, click on this one. Okay, so if you click on the Hindi phonetic option, so namaste, see, like this, whichever is your word, no, you can type directly. Okay, so this is one option. Okay, if you are not having Hindi phonetic option, no, you can go to more keyboard setting, download the Hindi phonetic option and you can use this button. Okay, otherwise if this is not available, you can do one more thing, that is your Google input tool. Okay, that means go to Chrome extension. Okay, in that download the Google input tool. From that also you can add the language. Okay, you can add the language like Hindi phonetic. From that also you can do. If that is also not possible, please let us know. We will help you out what can be done. Okay, so most of you all know you'll have this Hindi option, so no need to worry. Okay, Hindi phonetic option will be there in your laptop or in your PC, so you can use this one only. Only in few cases you might have to use Google input tool, otherwise no need at all. Okay, so this is how you can type the Hindi word. Okay, now I'll little bit I will explain about the transcription part. Okay, transcription, what has to be done, how the points has to be mentioned, I'll tell you. So I told you, the transcription, whatever you listen in the audio, you need to transcribe. So that means verbatim transcription has to be done. Okay, you should not correct any annotation mistake. If any grammatical error is there or any punctuation mistake is there, you should not correct it. Okay, whatever is you are hearing, you have to transcribe the same thing. Okay, so the annotator will be provided with what? The annotator will be provided with audio file. Okay, so the audio file will be given to you. Okay, audio file will be given to you, and the auto segmented file will be given to you. Audio, which is auto segmented file, will be given to you, and a reference text will be given to you. Okay, reference text will be there. Okay, with the help of that reference text, what you can do, you can do the transcription. Okay, here actually it will be there. As this is a test file, the reference text is not visible. Okay, next what you have to do is so I have already told you, you have to do the verbatim transcription, right? So verbatim transcription means in English, we have different kinds of English, right? So what are those? Like Indian accent of English is there, and UK accent of English is there, US accent of English is there, right? So in all, we have a different kinds of pronunciation, right? So for example, if I have to tell you, leisure is the word, okay, but in UK English or US English, they might tell like leisure or leisure. Okay, in our Indian accent of English, what we'll tell? Leisure, right? So it depends on place to place. But whatever the word that person is telling, no, it is leisure only, right? You can make out, right? And that word is in the dictionary, English dictionary, right? So what you have to do, if the word, it is there in the dictionary, irrespective of the pronunciation, you have to transcribe it as such. Okay, you should not change it. You have to keep it in English only. Okay, so sometimes schedule is the word, but the person might tell it as schedule. Okay, so whether both are different? No, right? Both are dictionary English word only, right? So what you have to do, you have to keep the content in you have to type the word in schedule only. Okay, schedule only you have to type. Okay, like that only you have to, whatever the dictionary word is there, that you have to type as such. Okay, then if the word is an English word, okay, reference word is different, but that person who is telling, that word might be in a different way, but it is in the dictionary. Okay, it is see, for example, colon is the word, reference word, reference word is actually colon. Okay, but that person is telling color. Okay, color. So which one you should transcribe? Should you transcribe colon or color? You should transcribe color. Okay, because it is a dictionary word. Okay, and that person is telling what? Which word? Color. He is telling color. Okay, so if it is a dictionary word and it is a proper English word, proper English dictionary word, then you have to transcribe whatever the person is telling. Okay, so for another example, if I have to tell, man is the word. Okay, but some mistake, because of mistake, the person might tell like main. Okay, so you have to transcribe it as main. Okay, main only you have to transcribe. Then house is the word. You have to transcribe it. The person might be telling it as horse. So you have to transcribe it as horse only. Okay, like this only you have to transcribe. So this is for English option. So what is the English, for English, what are the main thing that you have to consider? If irrespective of the pronunciation, even if it is UK, even if it is US, even if it is Indian accent of your English, what you have to consider? You have to consider it as proper, that one word only you have to consider. Okay, you have to transcribe whatever the word that the proper word only you have to transcribe. Okay. In second condition is that the word, the reference word might be different, or the person, what the word he is telling, no, that might be different, but whatever the word the person is telling, no, that only you have to transcribe. It is a dictionary word. I hope this is clear. Any doubt in this one, this portion?
Yeah.
Clear, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Yes. If condition is that, like what happens sometimes, no, the person might tell completely invalid English word. Okay, that word is not there in the English dictionary. Okay, at that time, what you have to do, you have to transcribe that content in Hindi. Okay, so if you know that it is a proper English word, okay, or if you are getting confused, that means what you can do, you just go to Google, search that, okay, whether it is a proper English word, you just search it and you can type. Okay, if you are getting any confused, like confusion. Okay, if it is not there in the English dictionary, then what you have to do, you have to type it in the Hindi. Okay, Hindi you have to type. Okay, like this, like Hindi option you have to select. Otherwise, you can keep your like for all, no, you can keep it in Hindi option only. You can, for both English and Hindi, you can use the same option. I'll tell you. So, for example, pigeon is the word. Okay, pigeon is the word, but the person, no, he's telling like pigeon. Okay, pigeon he is telling. So, what you can do, you have to type it in like Hindi. Okay. So, for example, this is the segment where I can, the person is telling like pigeon. So, what I have to do, first thing I have to select it in Hindi. Okay. Then I have to type. Yeah. Whatever you are listening, no, that one only you have to like type. Okay. Otherwise, any other word is there, no, that only, whatever the word is, no, you heard, no, that one only you have to select and you have to enter it. Okay, and please don't give a space after this. Okay, please don't give a space. Okay, because when you use Hindi option, no, a space will come. Okay, only if tags are there, then you have to use a space. Otherwise, please don't use a space here. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, like this. Okay, you have to like transcribe the content in Hindi. Okay, pigeon is one word. Then sometimes, no, literacy might be the word, but the person might tell it as lit sari. Okay, lit sari. Both words are not there in the dictionary. So what you can do? So he's giving a space and telling the word. Okay, he's giving a space and telling the word. So what you can do? Lit. Okay, like this. Lit in one box. Okay, like one segment. He has given a space. In this segment, he has spoken like sari, right? So, sari, you have to do like this. Okay, whichever is the proper word, no, that you have to use. Okay, I don't know Hindi like that much. Okay, that's why my spellings might be of wrong. Okay, but you should not do that mistake. You should be very careful. Okay, so just check whether which one is the proper Hindi word, no, that you have to properly check and you have to type. Okay, like this. One more example. Blank. Black is the word, but he might have missed the A. He might have told a different word only. Whatever he is telling, no, if that word is not there in the English dictionary, you have to type it in Hindi. Okay, you have to type it in Hindi. I hope sir has already shared the guidelines with you, so you can go through that also. Many examples are there in that also. Okay, for your reference.
Yeah, Mukambika, whatever I have shared, it was the previous SOP. I will share the updated SOP to your vendor. They will share the updated SOP.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
And
sir will update you.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
also share this updated SOP to me as well.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So if the person, no, he is telling the word in the form of a spelling, okay, in the form of a spelling, okay, suddenly he might not be able to tell the word properly, okay. Constitution, okay, suddenly he could not read the word, so what he will do, he will see, or like that he'll start to read the spelling, no. If such is the case, what you can do is you have to transcribe that content in Hindi. Okay, how you can transcribe it, I will just show you. Okay, for that, if any spelling like cat, like cat might be the word, okay, the person might be telling CAT, okay, like this the person might be telling a spelling. So what you have to do is you have to use one tag. Okay, so what is that tag means? It is ln tag. Okay, shift dollar symbol 3 times you need to use. Okay, so come down, sorry, yeah, here, this one, ln tag. Okay, so ln, give one space, okay, because one word is there, no, that's why. So C, so C is this one, right? C. After this, please don't give space. Okay. He has told in this segment. So what I have to do? I have to create one more segment and one more segment. This segment might be already, it might be there. Okay. Otherwise, you have to create your own segment. Okay. ln, start it. Okay. C, A. Okay, like this. A. Don't give a space. Then comes the T. Like this. Okay, and you have to end that tag. So after completing that spelling, no, he will end it, right? So you need to end that tag. So how you will end? Like this. So ln tag, this one. Okay, this is like full stop. Okay, this means like it is ending. Okay, this means that it is ending. So this is one more example I'll tell you. Okay, sometimes, okay, balloon might be the word. Okay, so the word might be B. Sorry, not English word. You should type it in Hindi only. Okay. B. Okay. A. L. Okay. In this segment, it is L. Okay. Like this. L. Next segment, once again, one more segment will be there now. L. L. O. N. Like that will be there now. L. L. O. N. So, what you can do, just create smaller segment. It is like spelling he is telling, no? So you need to create different segments. Okay. L, O. Okay. Then comes the N segment. So for example, this is the N. Like this. Okay. So whichever is proper, no, my Hindi is not proper. So this, I hope this is the proper one. So this you have to do. After this, you have to end that tag. Okay, end that tag with like this. So ln. So this one. Yeah, this is the ln tag. So this is how. This is only for spelling. Okay, only for the spelling. Okay, if the person is telling a proper spelling, no, then you have to use this balloon, pen. Okay, such complete words will be there. No, for those only you have to use this one. Okay, simply if he is telling like like that and all, for that you should not mention ln. Okay, ln, it is for the complete spelling. If the complete spelling is there, no, then you have to use the ln tag. Okay. Then in the next portion, sometimes, no, when the splitting happens, right? When the splitting happens, what happens? The word which is splitted, no, it might come in a, it might not come in a proper way. For example, compute is the word. Okay, compute is the word. When the person split it, like compute, like that the person might tell. Okay, at that time what happens? You have to transcribe come in one segment, pute in another segment. Okay, it should not be in the same segment. Okay, because they are separated. He has given a space and has told the thing. Both this come and pute, both are not in the dictionary. No, so you have to transcribe it in Hindi. Okay, so sometimes see prolong, pro and and long, both are present in the English dictionary. No, so in both you can do what? Pro in one segment, okay, English word. Long in another segment is also, both can be transcribed in Hindi, English only. Okay, like this you can do. Okay, sometimes what happens? Vineyard. Okay, vineyard. This is the word, but when the person is telling, no, he might tell like win yard. Okay, for example, this win, VIN, this word is not there in the English dictionary. Okay, it's not there in the English dictionary. So what you have to do? You have to use Hindi. Okay, for this one. Yard, that word is there in the English dictionary, right? So what you have to do? You have to type it in English. Okay, so this is how you can transcribe the content. If you can separate it, and if it is not there in the dictionary, you have to type it in Hindi only. Okay, if you are sometimes basse, okay, out of our accent, no, like if Hindi is mixed with English, bus, apart from bus, the person might tell like basse. Okay, basse. That basse is not a proper English word, right? So what you have to do? You have to transcribe that word in Hindi only. Okay, Hindi only you have to transcribe that word. Okay, like that.
Ma'am, one question here.
Please.
But, how can we know which word is transcript to English or Hindi?
Sir, see, when you listen to the audio, no, you can make out, right? You can make out, right? Proper English word and proper Hindi word you can make out, no, sir? Like, accented.
Means here we have to follow which you provide a guidelines English dictionary currently. First of all, we have to study this.
Which one, sir? Sorry, I'm not able to understand.
मतलब मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है कि अभी जो आपने नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है, अभी जो आपने डिक्शनरी प्रोवाइड की है, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो वर्ड आपने जो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट ने बोला है वो हिंदी में लिखना है या इंग्लिश में? मतलब
if you are getting such doubts, no, what you can do is you can put that word in the Google. Okay, you can put that word in the Google, and if it is a dictionary word, no, it will show, right? It will show. If it is not there in the Google, then you can type it in Hindi only. Okay. Yeah, I hope that is clear.
Sometimes we did not enter correct word, then we did not expect the correct word in dictionary word, right?
Yes.
At that time, what can we do?
You have to type it in Hindi. That's all. Okay. If you are totally confused what that person is telling, but you are able to understand some word, right? At that time, if it is not a dictionary word, no, type it in Hindi. That's all.
Okay.
No need to scratch your head, nothing. Just type it in Hindi.
Even if it is a dictionary word, we didn't understand the actual word, then we can write in Hindi also.
No, if it is a dictionary word, if you are able to see how you can make out it is a dictionary word or not, you'll listen, no. See here, no. Words are not that complicated. They won't talk any complicated words, right? Okay. Like a constitution or such complicated words, they won't speak. Okay. They will only like simple daily basis words only they will speak. Okay. In the audio, daily basis words only they will talk. By that only you can make out whether it is an what is that? It is our daily language or different, or you can make out. Okay. If you are unable to understand that word, then what you can do is you can just type it in Hindi, if such is the case.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Still, if you are like facing any such problems, no, then you can take your seniors' help. They will also listen to the audio. They will help you out. Like that also you can do. Okay. It's not that you cannot analyze. If you are unable to analyze for yourself, you can ask another help, right? Next to you, some other your own friend might be there. He will listen to the content, whether it is okay. Such things won't be there. But sometimes you might feel confused, right? So at that time,
हेलो,
yes,
के बारे में बता दें।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया फिर से आपसे पूछ सकते हैं ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
yes, sir. If such is the case, you can ask Okay, if you are unable to transcribe what that person is telling, no, if you are unable to understand what he is telling, so what you can do is you can use one tag. Okay, that is MB tag. I'll tell you that about that. Okay, so this one. So see this one, MB. This tag. See, even though if you listen to this same portion 20 times, 30 times also, you are unable to understand what is that sir or ma'am is telling in that piece. Okay, in this segment, what he's telling or what he's telling, you are unable to understand. At that time, what you can do is you can just simply put this tag. Okay, MB tag. MB tag means it's a mumbling. Okay, mumbling means it is unintelligible tag. That means you are unable to understand what the speaker is talking. Okay, so this is MB tag. Yeah, if you are able to understand what is that word, then what you can do, you can just simply type it in English or in Hindi. Okay, in cases are there, no cases are there. So according to that, you need to transcribe. Okay, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, clear. Very clear.
yeah. So sometimes what happens, no, the word might be like coming. Okay, he's not giving too much of space. Okay, like coming. Okay, not even a little space he's giving, but he's splitting that word. Okay, at that time, what you need to do, you need to type the content in Hindi. Okay, so what you have to do is just go to that segment, whichever is the segment. No, 1 second, I'll just go forward. So this is the word where he has not splitted that word. Okay, he has not splitted within that this segment only. He is telling like coming. Okay, coming like that he's told. Okay, at that time whatever he's telling, no, if it is not a proper you cannot make out that it is like splitting also, and it is not like completely splitting also. At that time what you can do is you can like type it in like Hindi. Okay, okay, like this, then ming. Okay, he has told like this. So you just make it a single word like this. Okay, so that means he is splitting, but he is not completely splitting the word. If he is completely splitting the word, what you would have done? So you have to create separate segments only, and you have to do, no. But he has not completely splitted that word. He has just separated the, he has just within a single segment only he has told that. Okay, so but in a different way. So like this, ka-ming. Okay, ka-ming. Like that he might be telling. Okay, so at that time you have to transcribe it in Hindi only. Okay, Hindi only you have to transcribe. Okay, next is that if any names are coming, no, any names, okay, and country names are coming, you have to transcribe the content in what? You have to transcribe the content in Hindi only. Okay, for example, Mukambika. Mukambika is the word. You have to transcribe it in what? Hindi only. And if this one, what is that? England, China, other countries are there, no? Paris, anything. Okay, any country names are coming, no? You have to transcribe it in Hindi only. Then any pet names are there. Okay, like a Tommy or anything. Okay, pet names will be there, no? Like a Ganga, Yamuna, like that. Even pet names will be there, no? Such things also you can mention it in Hindi only. Okay, Hindi only you have to mention. Okay, next one, if sometimes what happens, no, there might be some disturbance in his word. Okay, like there might be some stammering effect. Stammering effect means it is like clown. See how I am stammering, or else it might be like fire. Okay, like this the person might be telling. So if that is the case, what you can do, how you have to transcribe? So I'll show you in the this one only. Okay, in the next segment I'll show you. So he might be telling like clown. Okay, like this clown. Okay, like this he might be telling. So what you have to do? The segments will be there. Okay, it will be there. Okay, as of now this is a test file, no? So I'm just creating and showing it to you. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to listen to this. Then you have to Okay, is this one, and in this segment also he is telling like okay, like only. So he's making a stammering effect. Okay, Then in this portion, he's telling like complete word. Okay, clown. Okay, so you have to type like this. If a stammering effect is given, no, you have to type like this. Okay, like this you are supposed to type. Fire also, if he's telling like fire. Okay, like this. Once again, like this, whatever. Like this also he might tell. Okay, okay, like this. Then fire. Fire. He might tell. Okay, like this. Okay, like this you have to go on transcribing. Okay, so this is how you have to do like any like stammering effects are there, no, or any like false starts are there, no, then you can do like this. Okay, then you can do like this. Sometimes in the word there might be I told you we should never use punctuation marks. I told you that we should never use punctuation marks, right? But sometimes what happens, no, the words are in such a case that punctuation marks should come. Okay, for example, see, you are. Okay, you are means what? Here a hyphen will come, right? Apostrophe will come, right? So what you have to do, this has to be represented. Okay, without that you cannot transcribe it, right? So what you have to do, you have to type it as you are. Should you like put the this one punctuation marks or not? You should put. Okay, for such words. Okay, shouldn't, couldn't, ma'am. Okay, ma'am is a word, right? Okay, sorry, it is coming. Then like this. Okay, so it is going in Hindi. If that is the case, see, MA. If such is the case, no, just give a space, backspace, then like this. Sorry, not mama, it is ma'am. Like this. Okay, so this is one word. Shouldn't, couldn't. Okay, such words are there. No, for only that you can use this one. What is that? Punctuation mark. Okay, and one more is that catch up. Okay, these are the hyphen words. No, for such words you can use punctuation marks. Rest all like full stop, question mark, apostrophe mark, nothing. For those, no need of any punctuation marks. Okay. Then, if any abbreviations are there, such as DVD, okay, or SQL or ISRO, such words are there. No, abbreviations will be there. No, like HDFC, SBI, or some like abbreviations word will be there. No, such words you need to transcribe it in Hindi. Okay, single word only you need to transcribe. Okay, Hindi only you need to transcribe. I hope this is clear, na? Till here it is clear, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. One more thing I just need to explain, that is the tags. Okay, in this one only I'll explain. Just let me just take 1 minute of break. Sorry, okay, really sorry. Till that, if you have any doubts, no, just note it down.
ನಂದು 5 minutes ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
हेलो मीटिंग कंप्लीट हो गया?
नो
बीच में बंद हो गया?
ब्रेक रिलैक्स वेट फॉर अ मिनट
She has taken a 1 minute of break.
Sorry guys, sorry to make you wait, really sorry. Yeah, so yeah, only this tags, no, I'll explain just once, okay, so that you will understand the things better. Okay, so noise tag I have already told you. So when there is a noise, what you have to do, you have to use that is shift and 4, where you have to use that one. And if there is any word, no, what you have to do, you have to use this tag. Okay, only tag comes means it will be like this. Okay, in between if any word comes, no, then you have to end it. Okay, you have to end it. And For ln tag, for which one we are using the ln tag? It is for the spelling. For the spelling purpose, we are going to use the ln tag. Okay, that means ln tag start whatever the spelling that person is telling. Okay, B in A in the another segment, A in the another segment, LLON end the tag. Okay, like that you are supposed to represent the ln tag. Okay. Then MB means, MB it is like when you are unable to understand the person, okay, the word what he is talking, okay, then you have to use the MB tag. Okay, MB tag, when you are unable to understand the word, then you have to use this tag. Okay, then comes the filler tag. So what is this filler tag? Filler tag means it is like my name is Mukambika. So that I'm telling now, or else such words are there. No, they has to be considered as what? The filler tag. Okay. So for filler tag, what you need, what you need to do is, if it is a English filler tag, no, then you have to like mention it as filler like this. So come, I'll show you here. Like this. Okay, if any such words are there, no, then you have to mention like this. Okay, fill. Okay, filler tag. Then type that word. Okay, it might be okay, what you have to do, like this you have to, sorry, not English, like it should be okay, like this, then end that tag. Okay, ending also option is there. Now that one only you can use. Okay, so this is how. So if you start, you have to end if any word is there. Okay, if you are unable to understand that word, what you have to do, just simply keep it like this. Okay, if you are unable to understand what that word is, then you can keep it as such. If you can understand and type it now, then you have to keep it like this, filler, if any filler is there. Okay, like this, filler. Then one more is the silence. Okay, this silence means what? In a segment, in this audio only I will show. This audio only I will show. For example, in the starting only it was there. Yeah. See, if the duration, see, from this segment to this segment, there is a huge gap, right? So there is a huge gap. So if the timing is more than 2 seconds, okay, that means 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, so there is a long gap between the words, right? So these are considered as silence or pauses. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to create one more thing. Like if the segmentation has a long pause more than 2 seconds, means you have to refer it as what? Silence. Okay, so for silence, which tag you are supposed to use? You have to use 1 second. That is SIL. Okay, that is the tag you are supposed to use. This one. Okay, only this much. There is no starting, ending, and all. Okay, for this one, it is only this. Okay, SIL only. Okay, so like this. So I'll just once again I'll explain. Unintelligible tag means what? It is the mumbling tag. When you cannot understand the person's speech, then you have to type the tag, that is MB. Okay, MB you have to type in the segment. Okay, then noise means what? Noise means any sound can be heard, okay, in the segment. Then you have to use this. Okay, along with the sound, a word can be heard. Okay, a word can be heard. Then how you have to do it? Like you have to put the noise tag, type the word, end it with the noise tag. Okay, when does the ln tag comes? Ln tag means it is like spelling tag. Okay, when there is the person might be telling a spelling. Okay, so CAT MILK, like this, the spelling might be told. No, at that time what you have to do, ln start that word, then you have to give the spelling in different segments, then end the ln tag, and this should be written in Hindi only. Okay, Hindi only you have to type. Okay, Hindi only you have to type. Then comes the filler. Okay, filler. So if you are hearing any filler like thinking sounds are there, no, then what you have to do, if you are unable to understand, you just need to keep it as filler. Okay, if your word is heard, then what you have to do, FL, okay, sorry, FIL, then word, then FIL, end you have to do. Okay, then comes the silence tag. Silence means if a pause is more than 2 seconds, okay, then you have to use this tag. Okay, I hope these are the only tags which are used. Okay, so whatever the dictionary words are there, that you have to transcribe it in English. Okay, whichever the word which are not there in the English, or if you are getting too much confused, those words you have to transcribe it in Hindi. Okay, no need to take too much stress and all. You need to transcribe those things in Hindi. No punctuation marks, no like capitalization, then no number should be used. Okay, so these are the main thing that you have to do. Then here speaker selection is very, very important. Okay, then all the segments has to be transcribed, then only you can update the file. Without that, you cannot update the file. Okay, so these are the main things which you have to remember. Okay, then please always remember to use draft button. Like after completing few segments, press the draft button. Okay, otherwise you have to redo the whole content once again. Okay, redo the content once again. That's why I will always tell, please use the draft button. Okay, these are the main things which you have to remember. Okay, then one more thing which I have to tell you is that in the tool now here, so if you want to check your daily reports, not only daily reports, like 2 days reports, 3 days reports, if you want to check now, what you can do is here you have a reports option. Okay, here you have a reports option. Click on that one. Okay, click on that one. Here annotator, if you are an annotator, click on this one. If you are a reviewer, whatever you are now, that designation you have to click. Okay, pick dates you have to do. Okay, pick dates you have to do. Here also you can select only one date. Okay, otherwise if you want like more dates also you can select. Okay, like if you want more than a week's data, if you want, no, like this you can select. Okay, and you can submit. Okay, once you submit, no, only your file will be available to you. Okay, as now I'm a super checker, so different this are available for me. But if you're an annotator, only your file you can view. Okay, only your file. How many files you have assigned, how many you have completed, that means updated, how many files it is accepted by the reviewer, whether it is change accepted it, so small changes or any major changes they have made. Okay, or is your file is rejected. Okay, whether it is in the unlabeled stage, that means the transcription is not done, whether that file is skipped. Okay, so like this you can make out. Okay, so this is how you can go through your report. Daily reports also you can look into. Okay, so
and one more Mokamika, like how
yes,
to access draft or unlabeled, that also you can.
Okay. So I already told you one more thing. Sorry, once again I'll just repeat it. So if you want, I always tell you to save your file in the draft, right? So you have sorry, you have saved your file in the draft, but you want to retake it back. Okay, how to retake that? Just come to the project. Okay, come to the starting page. Here a filter option is there. Now come to this portion, click on this one. Okay, if whichever you want, no, you can select. Okay, if you want the unlabeled file, you can click on this. If you are want the skipped file, it will be available here. Drafted file, it will be available here. Labeled file means updated file will be available here. This is the rejected file will be available. Okay, so here also you have other options, whether it is pulled by the reviewer, not pulled by the reviewer. This also options are there, but that won't be of necessary. Okay, if you after completing only, if you submit, no, then that option won't be that of necessary. Okay, so otherwise you have more options also. Okay, but these are the main things which you have to consider. So if I want the drafted button, what I have to do, I have to press apply. So I'll get the draft button. Otherwise, if I want the unlabeled one, I can click and apply. So I'll get the unlabeled file. So like this. Okay, from this filter you can get the file whichever you have pulled, no, Whatever the file is there in your the ID that you will get. Okay. So
After update, can we change?
no, after update, if it is not pulled by the reviewer, you can change. Okay. Sometimes what happens, no, suddenly you submitted it, like you updated the file, but suddenly you remembered some mistake was there. Okay. You directly, you can just within a fraction of seconds, you can go and take it. Okay. But it is already half a day you completed, you were doing something else, suddenly you remembered. Okay. After half a day, you can't think and you cannot pull it back. Okay. You can't do it. Because now a reviewer will be pulling that file, no, he will be pulling and he will be checking, cross-checking that file, no. So for example, let us consider I am the annotator. Okay, Mukambika is the annotator and Mahadev sir is the reviewer. Okay, so what I did is I completed my file, I updated my file. Okay, but suddenly I remembered that I have not put the tag properly. Okay, so if suppose Mahadev sir has already started his work by pulling the file, that my file might have been already pulled by sir, for example, that is the case, then if I go to label and if I apply, no, I'll get the file here, but I won't be able to edit it because sir will be already, he will be editing it, no, so I can't edit it back. Okay, so if there is any error in the file, sir, what will he do? He will reject my file. Okay, so he will reject my file. So at that time, that file will be available here to be revised. In this, it will be available. If you click on that file, no, if you click on that, rejected file will be available to you. Then you can edit it. Okay, that you have to remember. So that's why I always tell you, please, before submitting or before updating, you keep your file in the draft, work on it 100 times or check it 100 times. Then only you please submit. Before that, you please do not submit it. Okay. I hope this is clear. Sir,
ma'am, what could be the duration of that audio file?
Sir, audio, na, it won't be more than 3 minutes, sir. Within 3 minutes only, okay, or 10 minutes, that's all, not more than that. Okay?
Ma'am, in your PPT that you were sharing, can you show that analytics beside of workspace?
Which one, sir? Sorry. Is it in the tool, sir, or in this one, sir?
That
This one, sir.
no, ma'am. Website, in the analytics website, ma'am.
Hello, 1 second, sir. Here, sir.
Analytics beside a project is there in
yeah. This one, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
What we can see here actually?
This is not for your use, sir. Okay. This won't be of much useful for you. Okay. You are like majorly, whatever the project is assigned, it will be here only available for you only. Like here only it will be available for you. Okay.
अच्छा बोल रहा था हिंदी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में सिर्फ हिंदी में एनोटेट करना होगा हिंदी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है अभी
सॉरी सर
मैं बोल रहा हूँ हिंदी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एनोटेशन है उसमें जो एनोटेट करना होगा हिंदी में लिखना होगा
yes sir if any words you are unable to understand in English no you have to transcribe that in Hindi okay Devanagari transcript you have to do
और रिकॉर्डिंग किस में होगा हिंदी में होगा ये इंग्लिश में होगा रिकॉर्डिंग जो आएगा
recording actually it will be in English only sir recordings na it will be in English only but if any cases are there like special cases I told you na if any splitting is there or any names are coming or any pet names are there such things no you have to transcribe them in Hindi
okay? प्रोजेक्ट का नाम जो था वो हिंदी एनोटेशन था इसलिए बोल रहा था रिकॉर्डिंग शायद हिंदी में आएगा
No, sir. Actually, the audios, no, they are collected from the Hindi people, who knows English also. Okay. So their accent, see, from our Indian people only, we are collecting the audios, right? So the accent will be mix of Hindi and English, right?
Okay.
So see, however I speak, but my native language will be there in my English, na? So that if such is the case and that word is not there in the dictionary, then you have to type it in what this one only. Okay, Hindi. Okay, if it's not, see, basse or fiere. So that fire is the word actually. Fiere is not there in English, right? So such thing you have to type it in what Hindi. Okay.
Like, ma'am, if there is audio file, na, like can't we download and keep it on the chat GPT and
No,
ask it the direct translation?
no, sir. You cannot download the audio. You can't.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So in tool, no, there is no download option. You have to listen to the audio there only. You have to transcribe there only. You have to submit there only, sir. You can't download it.
How will the work done hours will be calculated? It's according to the audio duration or the work done.
Sir, that sir will help you to.
That is like whoever the vendor there, we have explained in the SLA. They will. You have to talk with them. Okay. Who is your point of contact? So you can talk with them. Payment. And all. Yeah.
Got it.
Mukambika, thank you. And tomorrow, what time you are available?
Sir, morning I'm available, sir.
At what time?
10 is it okay?
Like 11.
Okay, sir. For me, no, not an issue.
Okay, okay. Like another,
Same training, sir.
same.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I will share the same meeting link. So.
Sure, sure, sir. Okay, okay. 11 o'clock, no, sir.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, Mukambika, thank you.
Yeah,
So,
thank you, sir. Thank you.
for all the vendors, I have recorded the video. If anyone misses, I will put it in drive and mail you. Okay. So.
Yeah, please share the
Yeah.
recording.
And
Sure,
ma'am, actually, I want to ask one question more.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Like, what are the, like, according to tax, the payouts will be given or according to hourly basis or what, according to weekly basis?
Sir.
That you have to talk with your vendor who is referred you. From them, you can talk about payment. Okay. We are about just providing task and the training from our end. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And Mukambika, what is the next step? Like, do you have any audio files to give test and other thing? You can share it with me. I will share with the vendor.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'll talk to you in person, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Please call back. So,
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukambika.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, bye. Have a nice
Hello.
Hello.
Once all the evaluation done, all are certified with the tool, we can start. It will take another 4-5 days. So after that, we can start.
Mahadev, thank you for the session. I am speaking with you as a vendor.
Yeah, okay.
So, train team.
Can you give me a recording of this training session?
Yeah, I will share with the respective vendors today by 9 p.m. Okay. So we'll share the updated SOP and recorded training video as well. So you can go through it. And you can use this video as a training purpose. Okay.
Mahadev?
Yeah.
Thank you for the session. Actually, I am interested in working with you as vendor.
Yeah.
I have a trained team ready for this project. And could you please guide me how I can connect with you further discuss to this?
You can send a mail to me. Okay.
Can you please send a mail in chat box so I can connect with you?
But you are already coming from another vendor, right? That is not possible as of now. You are already onboarded from other vendor. I can't provide you those details.
Actually, we have a trained team, so we are thinking to connect with you.
But you are actually hired by another vendor, right?
Yeah.
It's not possible. It's not a good ethic also. Okay. So, thank you, team. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇರು ಗುರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಐತೆ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು?